Alright, so now we have Monster Can versus Diesel Heater. As I said last one, this was recorded same day as the other two, but I'm gonna do this one Thursday. Alright, so let's get this started, see when it goes, and see which one's built stronger, NOS, Monster, or Red Bull. So far, NOS is in the lead. See how Monster does. Already starting to get somewhere. Oh, sinking in. Melting. It is really sinking in. I'm putting hardly any pressure on it. That Monster Can just went. Looks like the middle came out too fast. So yeah. Turns out NOS wins. Please like, subscribe, share, and we'll do more Diesel Heater versus episodes. Might find some more energy drinks like C4. What else is there? Bucked Up. There's also some others. So yeah, if y'all want more videos of the Diesel Heater over here versus something else, please comment, like, and subscribe. Share with a friend. And yeah, if y'all want anything else to see, hit up those comments. As I said again, like, subscribe, share, helps me out. I'm just a 17-year-old trying to make it somewhere on YouTube. Again, doing this on my break time. So please like, subscribe, share, recommend to a friend, send channel somewhere, repost, however that stuff works. And have a good day. Take it easy. Don't stress yourself out today. Just all in all, have a good time.